Well, good morning, YouTube. All right, guys, it's a little bit after 9 a.m. and I had to run into town this morning, and weather reports talked about this snowstorm coming in, and I really thought we were going to wake up to like this beautiful winter wonderland. And unfortunately, when I got up at 7 and the sun was starting to come up, there was no snow. I was a little bit disappointed, but as I came into town, started to get a little bit of flurries going on, but it was small. And I found this little pull off here where I was just sitting to go through my emails and stuff like that. And at the time I've been sitting here, it has really started to come down. This was all gravel when I got here. And now it went from small little flurries to some pretty decent sized snowflakes. It's supposed to snow like this for the next 24 hours. Hopefully it'll turn really beautiful. In fact, you can see where my truck has been sitting, not much snow underneath it. Actually, no snow underneath it. So I get it. A lot of you live way up north in places that gets a whole lot more snow. And some of you absolutely hate it. But here in Western North Carolina, we really don't get a whole lot of snow every year. And last year we didn't hardly get anything. So when we get these little snows, we think it's pretty cool. Well, I didn't get the camera fast enough. He was over there doing donuts in the parking lot. back out at our neighborhood now, and I tried to make it up the hill. I got about halfway, and that's it. So time to lock it in the four-wheel drive and hope I can make it the other way. Manual locking hubs, so to get out, lock the hubs. After that, I can just click the switch on the dash. But as you can see, it was trying to go sideways on me. I was keeping it, but it's getting too close to this for my comfort. This is exactly why I brought the Excursion out today, just in case. Doesn't look like anybody's driven over my road in quite some time. Just going slow. It's a pretty steep downhill right here. I know it doesn't look like it on camera. With a curve at the bottom, didn't want to go too fast. If you look over there, you can see our pond is completely frozen over, holding snow. So is that one. All right, back out of the house. I'm not planning on going anywhere else for the rest of the day. Kids have been having fun. Talon's ripping around on Zach's motorcycle right now. Just having fun in the snow. Oh no, you broke it. So it looks like here at the house, we've got about an inch and a half maybe. Who knows? So I guess I missed it, but a couple of days ago, Zach and I were talking about some fun stuff to do when the snow came this week. And we talked about taking one of the old hoods we had laying around and bolting some chairs to it, pulling it behind the four-wheeler like a big sled. Well, apparently they did it today, and I missed it. I'm not so sure how safe that looks, but definitely looks fun. That hood is off of Talon's old Chevy truck from back in the days. Definitely hard while I was trying to stumble. So we decided to take a walk around the property, kind of walking along the property line as it runs here along the creek. It's actually the first time we've been back here since we had those tornadoes back in May. Didn't realize how many trees we even had down back here, completely blocking our trail. Quite a few of them this way. All right, Talon's testing out in the water, checking out the waterproofing of his boots. But yeah, look, you can see so many more down trees over here. It's just rough. Whole section's gone. And our pond, as you can see, is frozen over, but not very thick. Definitely thinly frozen over. You know, when I talk about the snow not lasting here, which is why we like it, it's 5 o'clock in the evening now, and you can see the snow starting to melt off of my truck. Everything here is turning to slushy. It may get colder and it may start to freeze again, They're warning about ice tomorrow because as it melts and then the temperatures drop below freezing again, as the sun goes down, it could be really dangerous tomorrow. We're not planning on going anywhere tomorrow though. Got work to do around the house. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for following along. I like sharing this kind of stuff. I know very little motorcycle content, but it's what we did today. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time I see you, keep those engines running.